Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this video I would like to show you how to upload a file in OneDrive using MVC. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first open a Google Chrome and type how to upload a file to OneDrive in C Sharp. Just simply click on it. The first link which you can see that is Office, how to upload a file to OneDrive and share with REST API. Just click on that. So basically OneDrive has given a application related to how to upload a file. So just simply download it. Just click on show all. So after that just simply click on show in folder. Right click, cut, minimize, simply create a folder, paste it. Now right click, extract here. After that here you can see a folder C Sharp. Just click on it and open the project which they have given us. So project is loading up. Here you can see an Microsoft file. Just click on it. Here in this file they have given the complete procedure related to registration of the application and the procedures and steps which we are required to follow uh, for registering an application and accessing that REST API in your web application. So just simply minimize it. Now go to your controller, click on home controller. Here you can see a link, just simply copied it. Go to your Google Chrome, just simply paste it. First we will add an app, just click on it. After that we will give a name, OneDrive upload. Just simply create it, open a notepad. First copy this application ID and paste here. After that you can see application secret. Here you click on generate new password. Just simply copy that, click on OK, password, then you require an URL. For that open this document, just simply select it, just simply copied it. Here you can see a platform, just click on add platform. We are using a web application, so click on web. Here you can see redirect URL, just simply paste here. And just simply saved it. So your application is registered here. After that go to your project, just simply paste your callback URL, your password, and your client ID. After that here you can see CS upload file to OneDrive and share. Just right click and set as startup project. and now just simply run this project. So it is loading up. Okay, fine. Now the application which we have already registered is asking for some right. So just click on yes. So it will go redirect to our project. Yeah. Now just you will choose a file to upload. Just click on it. Just simply I will upload an main black book print and just simply I will upload it. So the file has been uploaded and it has been displayed here. This is the Word file which I have uploaded now. This is only read only, we cannot edit it, but if you want to edit this document, I will show you later on in this video only. First, for that, first you will check whether it is uploaded in your OneDrive or not. Yeah, it has been uploaded. So for that, you require an OneDrive account where you can upload your file on your OneDrive using your REST API of OneDrive. Now just if you want an editable link to edit this document, just simply click here, just copy this link and paste here. Now close it. Now here write viewback dot edit link, see double inverted commas, paste here. Double inverted commas, plus plus. Here you should just simply add this file ID. So you can see this is my Google Drive ring and my REST ID is equal to plus your file ID. Now go to your view, home, upload a file to get an your share URL. So here write bold slash bold, open an A tag, close that A tag. Now write href is equal to @viewback edit right here edit document. So it will create a link which will redirect to it. For redirecting it, we will write here target blank. Okay, fine. Now we will just simply run this project and upload a file. Now just choose a file. I just click on IEEE paper hard prediction. Just simply click on it and click on upload. So here is my document, which is just only read only. And now for that editable link, just click here. So see, you can get an editable link by just simply using your file ID and this Google Drive address. We can read also and edit the document whatever you want to edit the document. So in this way you can view also and edit document in OneDrive by using this. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me. Bye.